أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
The 10th condition of Bai'at is about joining the brotherhood of Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, alayhi salatu wasalam, the promised Messiah and Mahdi. But it's also about being obedient to him in everything that's good. What's amazing about this condition is that it helps me. I know that if I follow the Khalifa of the time, I know that I am guided on the right path and that I am following the true meaning of the words in the Holy Quran. By the grace of Allah, since I've become an Ahmadi, what has been amazing for me is joining this brotherhood and having the amazing support from everybody around me. The institution of Caliphate means that I can be rightly guided and be very confident in everything that I do. I'm able to reflect on Huzur's sermons. I'm able to do that by reading his sermons, but also reflecting on the meaning of his words and knowing that they are words that he has got from the Holy Quran and that he has given me that deeper understanding. Before I do anything, I think, is this something that Huzur would be pleased with? Am I being obedient to the Khalifa? Am I following the true teachings of Islam? You know, we're human, and at times we slip up. But with our obedience, we know that we can put ourselves right back on track. By the grace of Allah, I know that whenever there's any trouble, whenever there's anything that I don't understand, I can seek guidance from the Brotherhood. I can seek guidance from those sisters around me who have more of a deeper knowledge, and they can help me, whether it's anything to do with how I'm raising my child, whether it's anything to do about my understanding of Arabic and the meanings of the words in the Holy Quran. I know that around me there's a great source of information. By the grace of Allah, my son has been accepted as a Waqf-e-Nur. This is amazing for me, and I believe a great start for him. It means that he too can be rightly guided and continue this brotherhood through the rest of his life. Therefore, I know that my challenge is to share this community with my family, because yet still I need to make sure that my family are also guided on the right path, that my siblings and my parents are also true to the true teachings of Islam. I know that whenever I'm stuck, whenever there is need to understand anything a bit deeper, I know that Huzur is there and I can go to see him in person, but equally I can sit and listen to his sermons. I also know that there are many people out there that I can speak to who can support me as a new Ahmadi joining the Jamaat.